Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for soft skill development, week 8, assignment 8. So the first question is, global economic shifts, political instability and rapid technological change can function as external pressures that influence employees' job performance. True or false? So the answer of our first question is true. And now let's go to our question number 2. The spillover perspective proposes that emotions, attitudes and behaviors developed in one domain, work or family, can transfer into the other domain. True or false? So the answer of our second question is true. And now let's go to our question number 3. Self-reliance refers to the incapacity to depend on one's own judgment and abilities, which gradually develops through repeated practice and real life experience. True or false? So the answer of our third question is false. And now let's go to our question number 4. A situation where expectations from one role make it difficult to fulfill expectations from another role is known as dash. So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is A. Work-life conflict. And now let's go to our question number 5. Which of the following outcomes generally reflects a positive rather than a negative impact of stress in organizations? So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is D. Improved engagement. And now let's go to our question number 6. A non-profit organization develops community spaces that promote health awareness and hygiene education. This initiative mainly strengthens which resilience strategy? So these are the option, and the answer for our sixth question is B. Asset focused strategy. And now let's go to our question number 7. Successful time management depend not only on planning alone but also on consistently practicing behaviors that support the completion of goal oriented task. Is this statement correct? Yes or no? So the answer of our seventh question is yes. And now let's go to our question number 8. Individual who manage their time efficiently often experience which of the following outcome? So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is C. Only A, B, and C are correct. And now let's go to our question number 9. The natural preference individuals have for being more active and productive at particular times of the day is referred to as dash. So these are the option. And the answer of our ninth question is C. Chronotype. And now let's go to our question number 10. When stress levels are moderate rather than extreme, individuals are typically dash. So these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is D, all of the above. And now let's go to our question number 11, accession. Remaining silent about unfair workplace behavior reflect strong emotional intelligence. Reason: emotional intelligence involves self-awareness, responsible behavior, and constructive communication. So these are the option, and the answer of our 11th question is C. A is false, but R is true. And now let's go to our question number 12. Consider the following statements about resilience. So these are the option, and the answer of our 12th question is D. All A, B, and C are correct. And now let's go to our question number 13. Which of the following responses is least effective for dealing with stress in the workplace? So these are the option, and the answer of our 13th question is B. Avoiding discussion of stress and hoping it resolves on its own. And now let's go to our question number 14. Organizations aiming to support employees work-life balance may introduce which of the following policies? So these are the option, and the answer of our 14th question is D. All A, B, C, and D are correct. And now let's go to our question number 15. Mira works long hours in consulting but also prioritizes painting and spending weekend with family. Which approach best represents a healthy work-life balance strategy? So these are the option, and the answer of our 15th question is D. Combining all of the above approaches. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.